Hello everyone, this one is my Raspberry Model 4B and I was connected my Raspberry with my home network with this cable. The middle cable is about my workstation, the last one is about my laptop. We can access our home lab with Raspberry Connect from anywhere. Let's do that. I will explain on my diagram. Before the diagram explain, I want to show my workstation. This one is my workstation and we will connect with using Raspberry. Also, I will show some example on this workstation. Let's do that. Yes, this one is my basic home diagram. You can see the component. This one is my devices, three component, my home modem, my workstation, my Raspberry. This one is steps. You have to create the Raspberry account on official website. When you create the Raspberry account, you can add your Raspberry device and you can create a connection with Raspberry. And after you can access your workstation with SSH connection. Firstly, go to raspberrypi.com website and create sign in. I already created my account and you can add device with this area. Um, we have a two method to create connection with our home lab. First one is screen sharing. When we click the screen sharing, it will open the desktop viewer and we can control our Raspberry with desktops like this. And you can open the browser to check your application accessibility in Raspberry. Also, you can connect your workstation with SSH like me. Just type your uh, password and create a connection with SSH. You before you have to take your IP address from your workstation because I can access my workstation because everything is the same network. Just easy way. You can access each component which is using your same network and just run some comments on your workstation. This one is my Kubernetes cluster. Also, I have a one node. Also, this one is my master node already worker node. I am using the like single node. I will create some LLM model spot in this workstation because I have a NVIDIA RTX 4000 model ADA, and you can see now my device configuration here. This one is my device configuration. Also, I have 20 gigabyte VRAM in my GPU cards. Also, there's an easy way to create connection with our home lab, and the second one is remote shell. Remote shell just open the shell screen and you can create connection with just SSH or maybe with another command in this way. We can try SSH and type your password like this. That's it. I think this one is basic way. When you go to outside from like anywhere, you can create a connection with your home lab. This one is enough for you. Raspberry sign in and Raspberry connect with Raspberry device. Uh, like server controlling, like and create some home work situation from anywhere. That's it, I think, basically. Thank you. Thank you for watching. See you again after working. Thank you.